Looking to add a unique pop of color to your makeup routine? Green mascaras are trending for good reason. They're bold, eye-catching, and perfect for making a statement. In today's video, we're going over the best green mascaras on the market to help you find a perfect match. From subtle earthy shades to vibrant greens, we'll guide you through these top picks for every occasion. Let's dive in and find your ideal green mascara. Kicking off our list at number 1, L'Oréal Paris Green Mascara. The L'Oréal Paris Green Mascara is a high-quality, drugstore pick that delivers bold color with a sophisticated touch. Known for its reliable formulas, L'Oréal offers this vibrant green mascara to help add a fresh twist to your lash look, making it perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Key features: this mascara features an intense green pigment that provides a noticeable yet wearable color, blending perfectly with both casual and dramatic makeup styles. Its smooth, creamy formula is designed to coat each lash evenly, while the unique brush shape helps separate and define for an eye-catching finish. L'Oréal's commitment to quality ingredients also means this mascara is gentle on lashes. Benefits and usage: L'Oréal Paris Green Mascara is ideal for anyone looking to add a hint of color without overwhelming their look. It enhances your natural lashes with a pop of green while still providing length and volume. This mascara works well in layering, allowing you to adjust intensity with each coat for a bold or subtle effect. Usability: the mascara's brush is specifically designed to be user-friendly, with a tapered shape that makes it easy to reach every lash. It glides on smoothly, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Thanks to its clump-free formula, it's perfect for everyday wear and quick touch-ups on the go. Durability: this mascara offers lasting wear, remaining vibrant and smudge-resistant throughout the day. Although it isn't waterproof, it holds up well under most conditions, making it a reliable choice for work, errands, or evening events. Removal is easy with standard makeup removers, keeping your routine simple and efficient. In the second spot, we have Apple Green Mascara. The Apple Green Mascara is a standout option for those seeking a bold, bright green that truly makes an impression. This brand is known for its innovative color offerings, and this green mascara certainly doesn't disappoint, making it ideal for makeup enthusiasts who want to experiment with color. Key features: Apple Green Mascara delivers a highly pigmented green that makes lashes look vivid and lively. The formula is designed to be lightweight yet effective, giving lashes a voluminous and lengthy appearance without weighing them down. Its brush is curved, helping to lift and curl lashes for a wide-eyed, dynamic look. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for bold looks, adding a bright green color that enhances your natural lashes and complements a variety of eye colors. It's especially effective for creating unique, high-impact makeup looks. It can be applied in multiple coats to intensify color, allowing you to customize the level of vibrancy to suit your style. Usability: Apple Green Mascara's curved brush makes it easy to apply, helping to lift and curl lashes as you go. The formula is smooth, with minimal clumping, making it ideal for layering. Its bright green shade works well for special events, festival looks, or whenever you want to make a bold statement. Durability: this mascara is designed for long-lasting wear, with a smudge-resistant formula that holds up throughout the day. While not waterproof, it's resilient enough for most situations. Removal is straightforward, as it can be easily taken off with a gentle makeup remover, making it a hassle-free addition to your beauty routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Green Mascara. The Maybelline Green Mascara is an accessible and reliable choice for anyone looking to add a subtle green tint to their lashes. Known for high-quality, affordable beauty products, Maybelline has created a green mascara that offers a natural, flattering color suitable for any occasion. Key features: this mascara has a soft green shade that adds a hint of color without being overly bold, making it a great choice for everyday wear. Its formula is buildable, allowing for both subtle and more intense looks. The wand is tapered, designed to coat every lash with precision, delivering a clump-free, natural effect. Benefits and usage: Maybelline Green Mascara is perfect for those who want to experiment with color in a low-key way. It enhances lashes by adding length and volume with a hint of green, allowing you to create a unique but understated look. Its buildable formula gives you the flexibility to adjust the intensity, making it versatile for different makeup styles. Usability: the tapered brush makes application simple, ensuring each lash is coated evenly for a smooth, natural finish. It's easy to use for both beginners and experts, with a clump-free formula that provides a polished look. Maybelline's Green Mascara is comfortable to wear all day, giving lashes volume and lift without feeling heavy. Durability: this mascara offers reliable wear, staying vibrant without flaking or smudging for hours. Although it isn't waterproof, it holds up well throughout daily activities, making it a dependable option for all-day wear. Removal is easy, requiring only standard makeup remover, which makes it a convenient choice for anyone. Taking our fourth spot is Farmasi Green Mascara. The Farmasi Green Mascara is a high-quality option that offers a rich, deep green color perfect for those looking to add a little extra depth to their look. Farmasi is known for its cruelty-free beauty products, and this green mascara is a great choice for anyone who values both style and ethical beauty. Key features: this mascara has a deep green hue that's flattering on all eye colors, adding definition and intensity without overpowering your look. The formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients, helping to keep lashes healthy and strong. Its brush is designed to separate and define lashes, providing a natural, voluminous appearance. Benefits and usage: Farmasi's Green Mascara is perfect for adding a sophisticated hint of color. It enhances lashes with a lush green tint while also providing volume and length. Its formula is gentle, making it a good choice for those with sensitive eyes. It's easy to layer, so you can customize your look for both daytime and nighttime wear. Usability: the mascara's wand is easy to handle, making application smooth and efficient. Its formula is lightweight yet effective, allowing you to achieve a voluminous look without feeling heavy on the lashes. Farmasi's Green Mascara is also safe for sensitive eyes, as it's free of parabens and other harsh chemicals. Durability: this mascara offers long-lasting wear, remaining vibrant throughout the day without smudging or flaking. Although not waterproof, it's durable enough for everyday wear. Removal is straightforward, as it can be easily taken off with a gentle makeup remover, making it ideal for those who prefer a hassle-free routine. And finally, at number 5, we have Yves Rocher Green Mascara. The Yves Rocher Green Mascara is a premium option that combines bold color with a nourishing formula. Known for its commitment to natural ingredients, Yves Rocher's Green Mascara is perfect for those who want a high-quality, eco-friendly option that adds a unique touch of color to their lashes. Key features: Yves Rocher's mascara offers a vibrant green shade that's both bold and refined. The formula is enriched with botanical extracts, such as cornflower water, which helps soothe and protect lashes. Its brush is designed to provide even coverage, adding volume and length with a smooth, clump-free finish. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for creating a striking, elegant look with a pop of green. It enhances lashes by adding both color and volume, making it perfect for anyone who wants to make a statement. Its nourishing formula is gentle on lashes, making it a great choice for those with sensitive eyes or anyone who prioritizes natural ingredients. Usability: Yves Rocher's mascara is easy to apply, thanks to its specially designed brush that reaches even the smallest lashes. Its smooth formula ensures a seamless application, with a clump-free finish that's ideal for creating a polished look. The mascara's natural ingredients make it suitable for daily wear, giving lashes both volume and color. Durability: this mascara offers reliable wear throughout the day, resisting smudging and flaking. While it's not waterproof, it holds up well during normal wear, making it a solid choice for work or social events. Removal is simple, as it can be taken off easily with standard makeup remover, making it a low-maintenance yet impactful choice. With these 5 fantastic green mascaras, adding a unique and vibrant touch to your makeup look has never been easier. From subtle shades to bold greens, each of these mascaras offers something special to enhance your lashes and make your eyes pop. Whether you're new to colored mascara or a seasoned fan, one of these top picks is sure to suit your style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back for more beauty tips and product recommendations.